What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I talk about XRP quite a bit. You know this, right? I mention it pretty much every day, and I talk about the price predictions, I talk about where it's going, but ultimately it all leads to one thing, which is that XRP is going to replace Bitcoin as the number one cryptocurrency. And this may get a lot of Bitcoin maxis upset. People that are into Ethereum upset, anybody that believes in Solana as well. Anything that's within the top 10, a lot of people have a decent amount into it and firm belief that it's going to take over what Bitcoin is. They always say that the student can eventually become the master, right? And not necessarily saying that XRP is the student, but when you look at Bitcoin, it's really what has started this all. And even just understanding, what cryptocurrency is, Bitcoin will always have that nostalgia. It always will have that store of value. People will always invest into it. But there comes a day where it's going to get dethroned. And when it gets dethroned, it's going to get dethroned by something that has more value and more uses and more touches, in this world and in the markets. And honestly, I'm not saying it's 100%. To me, it's 100%. To other people, it may be differently. But I look at it and say XRP, with everything that's going on and everything they have established, as well as what they're going to establish, and Ripple as a parent company, and what they're doing, XRP will be the number one cryptocurrency out there. Does that mean that it's going to be worth $10,000 or $20,000 or $30,000? No, it doesn't mean that's 100% going to happen. But even at levels of $100 and $200 and $300, we're looking at multiple trillions of dollars of a market cap. So being worth way more than what Bitcoin is. So anyways, if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Also, don't forget about my link for Margex. If you guys are interested in trading on Margex, you can trade XRP, you can trade BTC, Ethereum, a lot of other things. Feel free to check that out. That link is down there in the description. It's at the top of the description. Now, when we look at dominance, right? The dominance is completely off the charts. Bitcoin really controls majority of that dominance. But as of late, as we get into 2018 to 2024, we see the dominance come up for other things. Let me show you. So if we look at CoinMarketCap, it shows the dominance for everything. And if we look at all time, we're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum is green, USDT, BNB, Solana, and others. Now, XRP is included in these others because it's not necessarily the most valuable cryptocurrency that's out there. It's in the top 10, but it's not the most valuable cryptocurrency, right? You see that Bitcoin really controlled everything. At this point, Bitcoin's dominance was 95%. Everything else really didn't cut it at all. Then you started to see a little bit of other things that were coming up, right? Others started to pick up. It was at 21%. Then you see we get over to 2018 or 2017, and Ethereum kind of picks up, where you see 16%, 47% for Bitcoin. So obviously a large jump from the 85% to 5% ratio. You're seeing a 43%. 43%, 39% to 27% for Ethereum, and then 33% for others. So we're looking at kind of an even split. Now, as we get closer into 2022, we can see that it's a bigger split, where Ethereum's around the 20%, Bitcoin's at around the 40%, and then you see others 29%, USDT having a major impact as well. And now it's starting to get closer and closer. It's starting to close that gap with everything as we look at it right now. Yes, Bitcoin is still at 56%. But you're seeing other things that are starting to come up, right? Ethereum being at 13.5%, 5% for USDT, even 4% for BNB, and 3% for Solana, 17% for others that are there. So we're getting closer and closer to seeing dominance everywhere else. And you'll probably say to yourself, well, if anything's going to take over, it's going to be Ethereum. And I understand your mindset to believe that Ethereum can take over. And I firmly believe that Ethereum can pass Bitcoin as well. But it doesn't mean that it's going to be the most valuable. When you look at something that's going to have the most touches, with an idea that XRP can become that digital currency that we all know and love, that's fast, that's efficient, that's secure. It's going to have more people touching it, more people that want it, more supply and demand, meaning that XRP is more valuable during that time period. So while we see XRP get to a higher price point, let me see if I have my exit plan up here. As we see XRP get to a higher and higher price point, we can see $500 here, and it's going to be a $25 trillion market cap. We can see a $100 mark. That's a $5 trillion market cap. Currently, Bitcoin is at a $1 trillion market cap. If Bitcoin gets to $100, that's surpassing, if XRP gets to $100, that's surpassing where Bitcoin is. And obviously, 5xing the $1 trillion market cap there, which we do believe that's going to get to this point, as well as look at the, 100 all the way up to the $500 mark, which again would be a $25 trillion market cap. That's not absurd to say that it can get there. I guess some people may look at it that way because of the fact that no cryptocurrency has ever been there, but we will see that transition. We will see that move for XRP. Now, if we go back into the markets and look at everything, we're going to see Bitcoin sitting at a $1.3 trillion market cap, Ethereum at a $300 billion market cap, but XRP is all the way down here at a $30.1 billion market cap. What makes me think that this is going to make that move rather than Solana or BNB? Well, XRP is being suppressed. Ripple is being suppressed by the SEC. And with everything that has happened in 2021, it was supposed to blow up then, but with the lawsuit, that stopped it. And they're looking to do that again, but they have no grounds. They have no new information to add to the case to continue to suppress it. And XRP is also labeled as not a security. So there's a lot of positives here. And once you do see that suppression go away, you're going to see that explosion for XRP and the use for XRP and the different things that they're implementing right now. So while people believe that Solana's next or BNB's next or Ethereum's next, you all are going to be wrong, right? XRP is that one that's going to completely dethrone Bitcoin, in my opinion. And it's firmly my opinion. I believe it. And the reason why I believe it is because of all the things that I've seen, all the things that I've read, all the things that I've heard. And you can see that in my actions. I invested $50,000+ into XRP, and I haven't invested even close to that with anything else because I firmly believe in where XRP is going. Now, it's up to you and what you want to do. If you see the same light, then you can make that move. If you don't, then feel free to go somewhere else, or not like go somewhere else video wise. You can if you want to, but I mean, invest somewhere else. You can invest into whatever you want. I'm not going to shame you for investing into those things. This is just what I believe. So let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think is going to dethrone Bitcoin? Because Bitcoin is going to get dethroned. Whether you like it or not, it's going to get dethroned. It just depends on what is going to be doing the dethroning. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. And if you guys want to get into XRP, maybe at a cheap price, but still being able to gain a decent amount from it, feel free to check out MargeX, where you can leverage trade up to a 50x leverage. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.